Hey guys, today I will show you how to download Dailymotion videos on your computer. Go to the Dailymotion website and search for a video you want to download. For this example, I will choose Cristiano Ronaldo. I have chosen this video to download. You can skip the ad now, copy the URL up top by highlighting the link and pressing Ctrl and C. You can also right-click it and copy it as well. Then open a new tab, go to Google search, and type in Dailymotion Downloader. The first option, savethevideo.com, is the one you want to click on. Now, paste your Dailymotion URL here and click on the Start button. Close the pop-up ad, go back to Dailymotion and wait for the process to finish. You can adjust the video quality here, but I will stick to the highest resolution. This website lets you download specific parts of the video, which is useful for saving time. However, in this video, I will skip this function. Toggle the cut video function off. Then click on the Start Download button. Wait for it to process. Once it is done, it will let you know the file size. Click on the button to download the file. Wait for the download to finish. Then go to your Downloads folder, and you will see that the video is downloaded on your computer. Thanks for watching.